What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Let Me Down Slowly by Alec Benjamin. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar and a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video so you can figure out how to enter, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning, starting with a capo on your 4th fret. You're only using a couple different chords. I will have the tab that I made for this in the description. It's the exact thing that I'm playing here, so if it's easier for you to read along with the tab, go check the description. The tab is in there. Your first chord is going to be A minor, index finger 1st fret B string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string. Your next chord is going to be a G. You can play it very easily with 2 fingers. Your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your E string, middle finger 2nd fret A string. Then you're going E minor, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. Final chord is an F. You're going to play that with your index finger on the 1st fret on your B string, middle finger on the 2nd fret on your G string, ring finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string. Now I'll break the picking down by chord for you. You're starting with your A minor. You're picking your A string and your B string at the same time, and then pick your G string. So I'm picking my A string and my B string with my thumb and my ring finger, and then picking my G string with my middle finger. And then I'm picking my B string and my E string, my B string with my middle finger, my E string with my ring finger, and you pick those B, E, B. So A and B, G string, B, E, B. Again, A and B, G string, B, E, B. Switch to that G chord. This one, the picking here is simple. You're picking your E and your B at the same time. And then, I'm using my thumb for my E string and my ring finger for my B string. You can use whatever fingers you want, just whatever's comfortable. This is just what's more comfortable for me. So thumb on your E string, ring finger B string, and then I use my middle finger to pick my G string again. And you're just, once you pick your E and your B at the same time, you're just alternating between your G and your B string with your middle and your ring finger. And that's just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from your A minor, it's then you go to your E, you're doing the same thing, low E string with your thumb, B string with your ring finger, pick the G string with your middle finger again, and then here I'm using my ring finger to pick my open B, index finger on 1st fret of your B string, pinky finger 3rd fret of your B string, and that's what happens quickly. That's that little run right there. It sounds like so that looks like and then your F chord is another simple picking pattern. You're picking your A string and your B string at the same time with your thumb and your ring finger. And then you're alternating with your middle finger picking that G string again. And that's just another 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the top, slowly, it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.